Yo, what's up everybody? Devin up here, and today I got rigs on 800 Pro HS. I'm not sure what the HS stand for, but HS. Without further ado, we're gonna unbox this, talk about this, see how it compares to higher end pro model headphones, and let's get it started. So with that being said, I got goals today, you got goals today. Let's get it done together, please. And let's get it started. It's compatible with the PS4, PS5, and PC. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so you know you get warranty, little guides, stickers. I love it. Alright, so here we are. We got the rig charging station right here. This looks pretty dope. You got the magnets on the side where you would hang the headphones at. And on the back, look like you have the USB Type-C port. On the bottom, some nice grips. So next you got a USB Type A to USB micro USB port. Next you got the USB adapter. Then lastly you got the headphones itself. It looks great, feels great. Nice material, stretchy, elastic right here. The earmuffs feel super squishy and super soft as you feel. Pretty much squeeze them together. Alright, so for starters, it has a really light frame. The frame is really light. It don't feel cheap. It feels really light and feels really good. Also with these, you can actually change where you want to put the headphones at. So if you got a big head or you got a little head, you know, you can just adjust the headphones however you like. So, or if you would just want to be different, you know, you got one right here, you know, one right here, you know. However you want to have your headphones, there you go. So you have this for the mic isolation. So if you want to hear people on the mic, you can adjust the mic how you want. Next, you got the power / Bluetooth link capability. You know, if you hit the power button, it turns on. If you hold it down, it'll link to something. And then next, you got the volume adjuster. You can adjust the volume high and low, however you want. You got the charge point right here. It's not USB Type-C. I wish it was, so the charge is not gonna be that fast. And then, lastly, you know, you got the mic boom. You can adjust it up and down how you want. And like I said, at the bottom, right here, you will place the mic onto the charging stand. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of the video. This was the rig. As far as listening, I think it's a great mic. As far as, you know, people hearing me, they said I sound pretty good, but here's a problem that I have with this is going to be the durability and how long it's going to last. Now, I know I said this is some good material, it is, but the thing is though, I do not see this thing lasting long because of the material. All right, now I'll say this will not last long for you. You're gonna be pissed. You're not gonna come after me, okay? I'm giving you a solid warning right now. So if you losing, if you sucking Call of Duty, if you sucking Halo, if you sucking whatever, listen, don't be mad at me. I gave you a fair warning. That's up to you. With that being said, I got goals today. You got goals today. It is what it is. I'm out. Peace.